How to open Barclays bank account online. So if you want to open Barclays bank account online, then first you just need to simply open up your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for Barclays Bank. Now tap on the first option, which is www.barclays.co.uk, and it will take you to the website. So once you're under the website, you just need to simply scroll down, and here you may have an option of the accounts. So if you want to open a current account or a credit card account, savings account, you'll have all of the options right here. So here, what you need to do is just simply go with the upper right, which has that menu option, and tap on savings. And you'll have an option of open an account. You can simply tap on it, or just simply tap on digital banking and then tap on online banking. And here you will have an option of register. So you just need to simply tap on register, and it says that you should live in the UK and your age must be 16 or over 16. And you need to either have a Barclays current account with a bank card, a savings account, or a mortgage, or a merchant customer. So if you are eligible, like if you have all of these, then you'll be able to register to the online banking. So go with start, and here are the 3 steps. So the first step is to enter your details. So enter your first or your last name, which is your personal information. Enter your date of birth, your postcode, and your account details, and your sort code, which is the 6-digit number on the front of your debit or your authentication card, and then your card number, your contact details like the email address, and you need to again confirm your email address and go with next. And your first step will be completed. And after that, you need to go with the next step, where you need to go with the account information, where you need to select single account or joint account or the account type and the opening deposit, and you need to provide the information about the funding account. And after that, you can again go with continue, and your account will be created if you have your genuine documents with you. So that's how you can open up your Barclays bank account online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.